right, we have got our sacred geometry oracle presence. And we're going to see. Just want to see directly what's happening here. See how we're bringing this into formation, visualizing it visually. Of course. We're creating this, we're pulling this together through frequency, through sound. So we're going to pull together these two tetrahedrons that we're creating through sound. Ancient sound. It's healing. It's connected to healing and ancient sound frequencies. And it's our connection to higher wisdom. Have faith, believe, and there it is. Wisdom, gain greater insight. Everything from channeled messages. And it's all about sustainment. That's what we're discussing. Harmony, create harmonious surrounding. This is how we're going to do it. So we're going to take hold. It's time for inevitable change, and there it is. It's time, guys. It's time for this inevitable change. There's one more card I want to have here. Hold on. We're going to start this. We're going to do it like this. This means everything. This is the message. We're going to understand when we're taking action, we're not going to take more than what we need. We're going to heal from this. We're going to heal from being a virus. We're going to heal from being a consumer. We're going to understand what this means in our lives. Oops, I had change upside down. We're going to have a rebirth, a renewal. It's connected to inevitable change that's going to allow us to work with the Taurus, our harmonious surroundings, and we're going to understand what we're bringing into that Taurus. We've cleared out what doesn't sustain, patterns that don't allow us to sustain, patterns that are toxic, patterns that are stagnant, and we keep bringing, and that's how we keep bringing in this fresh energy in order to continue to sustain. And it continues to sustain us. We understand what this pattern means when we're creating with it everywhere. We can apply this pattern everywhere. This is harmony. This is everything we set forth to do on mission, but we have to allow this change. We're going to use frequency though. We're going to speak with frequency right now, because this is the main message. Balance, energy, frequency, vibration. Today I allow myself to nurture my mind, body, and spirit to bring me back to a state of balance and harmony. So we are going to understand this. If you have drawn the ancient sound frequency card, you are in need of an overhaul. Your body may be tired and out of balance. You may be feeling emotionally and mentally drained. You've been working hard in so many aspects of your life that you need to return to a state of balance and harmony on all levels. You may need a healing to deal with a current issue in your life that could have had an attachment to a past life. Whether it be gaining an understanding or a need to forgive and release, it can be done by cutting cords and ties, letting go under guidance of a light worker, and do what you feel called to do with this one. There's much information upon this. Sacred geometry, our world and universe from the microcosm to the macrocosm, has an electromagnetic field which creates vibrations, which in turn create sound and color. Guys, we're getting close to understanding how we're coming together through this Two of Cups. Eight of Cups challenge. The Eight of Cups challenge to create the Two of Cups equality, and the Ten of Cups. Our life's purpose, our mission work, happiness from sadness, love from fear. separateness to unity. We are understanding this. And it has to do with our energy, frequency, and vibration. Every sound has a different vibration, as does every person, crystal tree, blade of grass, and so on. Sound vibration carries medicinal tones that can penetrate not only our auric field, but also that of our physical matrix, right down to the cellular core. This is healing of the future. This is healing of the golden ages. We are in a resonance. We are in balance by using and surrounding ourselves with certain frequency or tones within our own field, as well as our surroundings. We can change our vibratory frequencies to live more harmoniously. And this is why many people listen to these frequencies at night, or to heal with trauma, or to raise vibration and expand. I use these frequencies on a regular, everyday basis. And I'm really lucky to be in an environment that allows me to do so. To be surrounded by people that within my universe, as we are co-creating here together, and this music is on all the time. And it really makes a difference in how you feel. And it really allows you to heal from sickness. This really works. Healing and rebalancing from a cellular level through the auric field or outer layers of the physical body can be achieved by placing this card on your body. So we can actually use this card, guys, if you have these cards. I know these cards were a gem. They were very hard to find. Just happened to be there. They were meant to be where I was that day. So, of course, the other way is to use the actual solfeggio frequencies and even placing crystals. Working with crystals. Seek out a light worker to help you shift unwanted energies, and you can do this yourself. You're a light worker, learn how to do this, right? But it's, you know, if you feel called to help, you guys are your internal compass. Writing is also a fantastic practice. So we can write things down, and that really also works. Ooh, this is connected to singing quartz. I like it. Number 9 and Eagle Medicine. 528 hertz solfeggio frequency, snake medicine essence, starlight essence. Ooh, I like that. That's beautiful. Okay, so now let's just see where we're going, and we're going to say goodbye until next time. What the heck? Make sure you don't burn my hair this time, like I did last time we were here. Okay. Well, we're in a 4 of Swords situation. We have that sword. We need to see something clearly here. We're healing from pain. Through the earth with the Queen of the Earth. That's from Channel Messages. So we're going to work with the High Priestess and those 3 swords. That High Priestess right now is revealing what we need to see. Remember, darkness into darkness is the key to all mysteries. So something is being illuminated here. And it's to expand through the earth and heal and restore balance. And it's going to allow us to have forward moment. And I know this is true because, guys, first of all, look at all those cards right there. That's a beautiful sequence. But look at this deck. Happens to be stating right here. And it was the next card in Channeled Messages. And it was the card of moving forward through the earth with the masculine. And there it is right there. And it's with strength and seeing through our illusions in order to expand. So, look. Through the earth. This is the same card as when we're growing that rose. Where we're growing that rose. So we're growing that rose because we're working with our 7 of Pentacle pals. To turn the wheel and heal from the devil energies. Oh, it goes this. We're going to turn the wheel to heal from the devil energies, guys. Because we're connecting We're connecting to where we need to connect, from the heavens to the earth, through us, to restore balance, to create this peace, to create this equality. We're understanding what unconditional love means. Through those cups, we're becoming so multidimensional, and we achieve it. We do it. Love, light, and healing energy is sent your way to create today, guys. I look forward to seeing you again when we expand off this. See what's next. Take care.